Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about something I like to make to drink. Mhm. So what is it? What is it? Me, I like to to make smoothies to drink. Smoothies? What's a smoothie? What's a smoothie? Yeah, so these are smoothies. These are smoothies. Smoothies. One smoothie, two smoothies. Okay, so smoothies. So me, I really like smoothies. I mm, I like to I like to drink smoothies in in summer, okay, in summer, okay. But also, I can drink in winter, okay, no problem, no problem. But I really like to drink smoothies in summer, okay, in summer. And I I like to drink smoothies for my lunch, for my lunch. What's lunch? Okay, so lunch. Okay, lunch is this is lunch. In Scotland, we we normally have lunch at between 12 o'clock and half past one. Okay, so me, I like to drink a smoothie. Okay, smoothies for for my lunch. Okay, for my lunch. So to make a smoothie, you need a blender. A blender. But what's a blender? What's a blender? Yeah. So so this is a blender. Okay, a blender. Okay, so this is a blender. Me, I have a blender in my house. Okay, in my oh, okay, in my house. Okay, so this is a house. So in my house, I have a blender, and I I use the blender to to make to make smoothies. Yep, smoothies. Mhm. I love smoothies. So to make smoothies, I add fruit. I add fruit to the blender. I add fruit to the blender. Fruit. Okay, so this. Okay, so this is fruit. So I like to add fruit to the blender. I also like to add to add to add oh, milk. Okay, so this is milk and Greek yogurt. Okay, Greek yogurt. So I like to add fruit, milk, and Greek yogurt to my to my smoothies. But what fruit? Okay, And there's lots and lots and lots of fruit. Okay, but what fruit do I like to add? Okay, I'm going to tell you. So I like to add blueberries. Yes, okay. You know I like blueberries, and I like to add some strawberries, and I normally add one banana. Okay, one banana. Okay. But I add frozen fruit. Okay. Frozen fruit. Frozen fruit. So I add frozen blueberries and frozen strawberries. Um, but the banana, um, the banana is not okay. Is not frozen. Okay, so the banana is not frozen. But the blueberries and the strawberries that I add are oops, frozen. Mhm. But where where do I buy frozen frozen fruit? Okay. Where where do I buy frozen fruit? Okay. So I buy so this is frozen fruit. So I buy frozen fruit from the supermarket. Supermarket. Example, Tesco, Asda, Aldi. Okay, so Tesco, Asda, Aldi, supermarket. So I buy um, frozen fruit from the supermarket. So here we have this is blueberries and strawberries. They're delicious. Delicious. But why? Why? Why do I buy frozen frozen fruit? Why? Because it's cheaper. It's cheaper. Cheaper. What's cheaper? What's cheaper? Okay. Cheaper. Okay, it's only a little money. Okay, a little money. So frozen fruit is cheaper than fresh fruit. Okay, so cheap. Okay, cheap. Okay, so it's cheap. It's cheaper. 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 More cheap. Okay, so it's cheaper. Okay, it's cheaper. So yeah, frozen fruit is cheaper to buy. Okay, so cheap, less money. Okay, money. Okay, so this. Okay, money. Okay, it's cheaper. I I also like to make smoothies with a pinch of cinnamon. A pinch of cinnamon. What's what's a pinch? What's cinnamon? Yeah, so this. Okay, so this is cinnamon. 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 Okay. So I like to add a pinch. Okay, a pinch. Look at me. This is a pinch. Okay, a pinch of cinnamon. Okay, just between the finger and a pinch. Okay, a pinch of cinnamon. A pinch of cinnamon. It's it's very, very delicious. Okay, a pinch of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. And to my smoothie, I also like to add some almond nuts. Almond nuts. Okay, so these are almond nuts. Remember, in the last video, we saw almond nuts. Um, almond nuts. Okay. Almonds. Okay, so these are almonds. Almonds. The L is sh silent. Okay, so the L is sh silent. So almond nuts. I like to add some almond nuts to my smoothies. It's very almonds are very healthy, very healthy. Okay, so healthy. Okay, healthy is good for the body. And I also like to add some ice. Okay, so this is ice. Okay, ice. I like to add ice. I like to add ice in in summer. Okay, but now it's winter. Okay, it's winter. It's too cold. So in winter, I don't add ice. Okay, I don't add ice in winter. I don't add ice in winter. No, okay, no. It's too cold. Too cold in winter. In summer, yes, I like to add ice. But but I even in summer, I don't add a lot of ice. I don't add a lot of ice. No, no. Why? Okay, okay. Why? Why not? Why not? Because a lot of ice, it's bad for the the blenders blades. Okay, it's bad for the blenders blades. So these are blades. Okay, blades. So too much ice is bad for the 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 blenders blades. Blenders blades. Okay, too much ice is bad for the blenders blades. What I really like to add is a tablespoon of peanut butter. Yes, peanut butter. Delicious. Oh, so this is peanut butter. Peanut butter. Okay, so peanut peanut butter. So I like to add a tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. I like to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Okay, tablespoon is it's a big spoon. Okay, it's a big spoon. Oh, this is a spoon for tea and coffee, and a a tablespoon is a big spoon. So I like to add only one. Okay, only 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Mm-hmm. I also like to add a handful of spinach. A handful of spinach. What's a handful? So this is my hand. So a handful, okay, a handful. I like to add a handful of spinach. Yeah. Spinach. So this is spinach. Spinach. Oh, is it one N or two N's? Mm, I I'm not sure. Uh, It's one N. Okay, so I like to add spinach. Okay, I like to add a handful. Okay, a handful of spinach to my to my smoothies. Okay, to my smoothies. It's very healthy. Spinach is very healthy. Okay, spinach is very healthy. Healthy. Okay. So healthy is good for the body. So spinach is healthy, fruit is healthy, peanut butter is healthy, but not too much, not too much. Okay. So what about you? What about you? Do you have a a blender? Do you have a blender? Do you like smoothies? Do you make smoothies? Please tell me in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.